If you can make this one little change to your sales process, I promise you, you will sell a lot more in a lot less time, and both your prospects and yourself will have a lot more fun through the process. Before I show you what the one tip is, let me tell you about two fatal mistakes that just about every salesperson makes. We focus on the wrong thing. Mistake number one, we get a conversation with a prospect. We immediately start pitching. We start talking about our products, our features, our benefits, our pricing, our specials, whatever it is. We start talking about us. That is a complete mistake and a turnoff for your potential clients. Mistake number two, we start a conversation with a client and we immediately start probing them, asking them about them, their business, what their hopes, their dreams, their wants, their needs are, where they want to take things. Again, it's a little bit better, but it's still a fatal mistake. Here's the one thing I want you to do differently. When you start a conversation with a prospect, a client, an organization, I want you to start that conversation by delivering insights. And when I say insights, not insights about your product or the specials that you have, insights about what's going on in the industry. I want you to ask yourself, what is some value that I can bring a potential client, whether they buy from me or not? What is an insight that I can bring them as an expert that will add value to them, that will give them some vital information? You need to take time, figure out what that insight is, and then start your conversations by delivering an insight. At that point, they're going to trust you, you're going to have built a relationship, and then, and only then, can you start asking about them. And once you've figured out about them, then it's time to talk about you and how your products, solutions, or services can help their situation. Insights, them, and then lastly, yourself. My name's Matt Easton. Consider following me for more tips on how you can be successful in business and life.